Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about Apple, and I want to show you a couple of things really quick on what could happen based on the trends that I have been seeing, and I'm gonna show you why you should invest right now on this company, and that's what I'm doing, and that's exactly what you're gonna have to do some research. But I'm just gonna lay it down here for you. You do your own research. You do whatever you want. So this is Apple on a yearly chart. Look at it, right? So right now, obviously, we have been in a downtrend since we hit the 145. But right now, the bulls are in favor of a reversal. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, okay, we're gonna see that there's an indication in here. And again, I'm gonna make a video on how you can put indicators like this for trend reversals every time you have a crossing on a MACD, or every time you can actually have the RSI hit different levels, and then using Fibonacci retracement levels, you can actually create this alert. I created this alert. So every time there's a red that's down, green it's up, and then purple it's just a false alert. It does the program, the code doesn't really, it cannot predict if it's gonna go up or down. But what I can tell you is the last time we got an alert on a 4-hour chart was a downtrend at 137. If you should have bought, you should have sold here. Look, there's not a single alert until what happened on Friday, where it literally put the first alert for a reversal. Now, you cannot believe this thing's 100%. There's coding that goes behind this in terms of how it reads the data, and I can show you later how I do that. You can subscribe to the channel, and then you can get those alerts. But I'm gonna try to explain how you do this with Thinkorswim. But essentially speaking, you can invest right now, because not only that showed up in my alert for trend reversal, but also I want to show you something. It has been on the oversold territory for the last week. Okay, there's a trend that has been shown based on the engulfing and the VWAPs. This is just essentially like indicators that this is actually gonna go up. Essentially, every time you see a VWAP signal, means that it's probably gonna follow it. Like every time you see down or up, it's probably a certification that an uptrend is coming. So I'm actually showing you this because there's a trend coming, and where we might be able to reverse. This is in our favor, and where we have been in oversold since 145. It's probably gonna reverse. It's a cycle, so we might be able to hit 132 again, and that would be great, because right now we're trading at 121. So I wanted just to show you the quick alerts that I go through, that I review, that I make sure that I revisit before I actually start putting my money in. I have been buying Apple since 125, 127, and I've been adding along the way as it's dropping. I think this is a great opportunity for us. This is just quickly a look on a trend, and I think that this is just great to see, okay, that we might hit the 116 here. This is just the enhanced trend reversal that I have. It's the VWAP line, and it's probably gonna hit it. Now, the last thing I'm gonna show you is this right here, okay? This right here, it's very important. 112 is the 200 moving average. If we drop below there, that's bad, very bad. If we drop below there, it's bad. I just gotta say it's a indication, a clear indication of a reversal downtrend. Look, we're in the oversold on the yearly chart. We might be getting closer to the 112. We might not hit it. We might bounce back in there. But look at the MACD. Everything it's in favor of the bulls. Things have been selling off aggressively, for the last week or two. This is my opinion. This is what I'm doing. I'm buying the dip, and I'm not getting out. I'm going to continue to buy this as an indication that there is probably going to be a trend reversal, and that we might start to get money. Tolerate the risk. Make sure that you do smart decisions on how you're buying the dip, and then you're going to make money in the long term. Okay, things are going to bounce back. This is just a quick video to show you what are the things I'm looking at Apple very closely. I'm trying to make sure that I can see where these things are going to go, and this is going to be you know, just a quick indication of what could happen. We're getting into the oversold territory. We're already in there, and I'm expecting a pull up in where we can actually make some money. All right, folks. So this is Apple. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe to the channel. I can show you how to put some of these alerts for the day traders if you want. I don't do it, but I just use them for the long run. So I think that this is great opportunities that we can actually use here, and these are the tools that I use. See you later.